Hi, Carl Anderson here with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island. And today I'm going to walk you through our 2019 Scout 275 Dorado. Starting with the boat exterior, we've got this boat equipped with the beautiful full hull color, sharp gray hull color, stainless steel rub rail insert. And now let's transition to the inside of the boat. So here in the cockpit of the 275 Dorado, I do want to point out we have twin swim platforms to port and starboard with a telescoping ladder to starboard. We've also got this boat equipped with twin 200 horsepower V6 engines from Mercury. These are the new V6s that Mercury just released that also offer the top cowling service door where you can check and change your oil, in addition to totally remove the cowling just by the push of the button and a grab of this lever. We do have this equipped with a ski pole. And to transition inside the boat, we've got a fold-down wave gate that also serves as a backrest for the stern seating area. We've got lots of seating, both to port and starboard side. All this folds up, but it gives you ample amounts of lounge space. If you want to fish the boat, this all tucks away very nice and easily. You've also got fish boxes, both port and starboard. We have bait whales on both sides, flush mount rod holders, cleats at recess. This boat is equipped with the optional fender pros. It's a quick disconnect for attaching and detaching your fenders. We'll circle back around and I'll show you the stern seat. So again, the fold down wave gate allows you to access both swim platforms. You've also got a nice stern seat on the 275 Dorado as well. Huge, beefy hardtop from Scout. Speakers integrated both fore and aft. There's two on each side. We've got cup holders, netted storage, rod holders on port and starboard, along with rod holders along the hardtop as well. LED lights fore and aft. This boat looks beautiful at night when it's well lit. We've got non-skid prep areas here. Additional prep space. Wet bar sink. We've got a fridge to port. Lots of drawers and storage space on the 275 Dorado. We have twin captain's chairs with adjustable thigh-rise bolsters, so you can lean or sit, along with adjustable armrests. This is Scout's ultra vinyl, really soft, comfortable seating. This is the Grigio, kind of dolphin colored interior. Huge subwoofer to the port side, along with lockable storage, glove box style storage as well. Cup holders that are plumbed and drained. Nice oversized head area. Vacuum flush head, along with a sink and a mirror. Here at the helm, we've got adjustable footrest, digital throttle and shift with the V6 200 horsepower from Merc, adjustable steering wheel, Edson steering wheel. This boat is equipped with a 10-inch Garmin touchscreen. Got a large Fusion stereo unit, cup holders, along with the C-Zone interface for all of your switching, and trim tabs with LED trim indicators. We do have storage in the deck as well, along with location for your batteries. Again, lots of storage on the 275. Very accommodating dual console. Nice block-off door, in addition to the windshield that closes. Great for running the boat during the cooler weather of the fall season or the winter months. And then we've got a nice head area on the starboard side console. Lots of space for storage. This space is fully cushioned out. They're currently stowed away, but lots of areas for lounge space with storage to the starboard side. That's finished out, plumbed and drained. Speakers forward. You got a nice pull-out picnic table with cup holders and a designated cooler as well. Additional cup holders / rod holders on the foredeck. Cup holders for your passengers in the bow. Recessed stainless steel grab rail, along with a windlass anchor and a boarding ladder whenever you're beaching the boat. You can control that windlass via foot pedals up at the bow, along with switching back at the dash. Again, I'm Carl Anderson, and that's a walkthrough of our 275 Dorado from Scout. Give us a call at 843-747-1889. Visit us online at MarineMax.com, and be sure to check out our Facebook page. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.